Hey freelancers, in this video, we are diving deep into a full comparison between Fiverr and Upwork, two of the biggest freelancing platforms out there. Whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your freelance income, I will help you decide which platform is better for you. Let's get into it. Let's start with a quick intro. Fiverr is a platform where freelancers offer predefined services called gigs starting at $5, though most are priced much higher now. Upwork, on the other hand, works more like a traditional job board. Clients post job and freelancers submit proposals to get hired. Fiverr is gig based, Upwork is proposal based. Both platforms are free to join, but getting started feels different. On Fiverr, you set up your profile, create gig listings, and wait for clients to find you. It's passive but competitive. On Upwork, you actively apply to job posts using connects, which are like tokens. You'll get free connects each month, but may need to buy more if you are applying often. Fiverr is easier to set up, while Upwork gives you more control over the jobs you go after. Fiverr is great for offering clear, productized services like logo design, voiceovers, video editing, writing, and SEO. Upwork, meanwhile, is more flexible for long-term and complex projects like virtual assistants, app development, content writing, and consulting. If you want quick tasks and consistent sales, Fiverr might be better. If you prefer ongoing projects and building long-term clients, Upwork has the edge. On Fiverr, you relay to Fiverr's internal search algorithm and reviews. You don't apply, you just optimize your gigs, pricing, and keywords. Upwork is all about sending proposals and writing strong cover letters. You pitch yourself for each job, like applying for a mini job every time. So, if you like automated traffic, Fiverr is great. If you are confident in pitching and negotiating, Upwork can open more doors. Fiverr takes a flat 20% cut of every order, no matter the price or client. Upwork uses a sliding scale 20% for the first $500 earned with a client, 10% from $500 and $10,000, 5% above 10%, $10,000. Fiverr pays out via PayPal, bank transfer, or Fiverr revenue card. Upwork offers direct bank deposit, PayPal, and even wire transfers depending on your region. Both are reliable, but Upwork's fee reduces over time, which is better for long-term clients. On Fiverr, clients come in all shapes, some great, some not so great. You can get a lot of small one-time buyers. Upwork tends to attract higher budget clients for businesses looking for long-term work relationships. If you are after quick volume, Fiverr wins. If you are after higher ticket projects, Upwork may be your better bet. Fiverr is highly visual. Go to My Business tab and gigs. Your gig images and videos do the talking. Upwork is more traditional. You build a resume style profile focus on job success scores and client feedback. Both platforms reward good reviews and consistency, but Upwork puts more emphasis on professionalism and client relationships. Fiverr's app is clean and optimized for quick updates, messages, and gig edits. Upwork's app focuses more on messaging, proposal tracking, and job discovery. Both are solid, but Fiverr's UX is simpler and faster for mobile freelancers. Upwork's is more detailed for active job hunting. If you are a beginner with clear services to offer, Fiverr might be easier to break into. You just need a few well designed gigs, good thumbnails, and optimized descriptions. If you are more experienced or comfortable pitching clients, Upwork gives you more freedom and higher earning potential in the long run. So, Fiverr versus Upwork, who wins? Here's the breakdown. Choose Fiverr if you want passive income, quick gigs, and love marketing your services. Choose Upwork if you want control high value projects and long term client relationships. In fact, many freelancers use both platforms, Fiverr for fast income, Upwork for steady growth. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Or if you are using both, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more freelance tips. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Uh, Stay creating. Thanks for watching again.